Mm, Chase to beach. He he is going into mountains high. Luis, I some excited and the summer and the vacations. We are going to go. Jaime, Camila, going to Huaraz. In the mountains, I look and picture. Uh, my family is going today a small hotel, and we and going and talk or warm clothes and heat but we are going Huaraz, a small hotel, visit Pastoruri Glacier, Laguna 69 y what your plans. Wow, so amazing. Wow, so amazing. I'm going to Mancora with me cousins. I show a picture and beach Mancora. I'm going to take swimming. I sunscreen and lot shirt. We are going to stay in a hostel near the beach because one sur every day into going into fresh uh, Pachamanca because one every day and a lot fresh in ceviche. That sounds fantastic. I am gone typical food from and like Pachamanca. I need a backpack first. My vacations isn't going the very relaxing, but think your trip going and great adventure and hope you have a wonderful time. Thank you to share one post when you head back. They both word and goodbye. Goodbye.